gumagamit tayo ng whitening product, normally, after 8 weeks, nagpa-plateau yun. Ibig sabihin, after 8 weeks, hindi ka na puputi pa. Pero yung sa amin, as long as you're using it, you continuously whiten your skin. And at the same time, yung kagandahan naman ng product namin, compared to the others, is that lately kasi there was a study in, what do you call this? Hydroquinone kasi was banned in Japan, Europe, and US. Kasi ito yung chemical that causes skin cancer. So we used another alternative called Albuterol, which is made out of bearberry, as a healthy way of lightening the skin without being harmful to your skin. So, yun yung kagandahan doon. And at the same time nga, as long as you're using the product, it's lightening your skin. Hindi siya nag-stop.
Okay. Kaya magandang byproduct ng Rihanna's Song.
Correct. Dito si Mami may katanong.